Everybody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Chrome, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Today, I want to give you guys a brand new sneaker unboxing. These sneakers came from overseas. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I was able to get my hands on an international pickup via of the plug, and I thought I'd give you guys a brand new unboxing. But before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you slap that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, because I drop consistent content. If you're new here and it's your first time watching, welcome to the Shoemanati Show. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video. Drop gang gang in the comment section. And of course, shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. And shout out to my light skinned brothers too. With that being said, let's get right into this new sneaker unboxing. It's the Shoemanati Show. Lego. It's grown, bitch. So, these sneakers came via of the plug once again. Shout out to the plug, always coming through, holding me down on these releases. These sneakers released on July 7th. They dropped overseas pretty much only, and these were really hard to get. I only seen a handful of YouTubers who had this sneaker in hand. Shout out to Retro Wiz Kid, Measly G, and 2J Kicks. Those were some of the only YouTubers that I seen who had these. And these flew. Like, you could not really get them in America, and they were mainly overseas, and they flew off shelves. They sold out quick, and if you did not get your hands on them, you were not able to get these. But luckily, I got a solid plug. He got his hands on them. He shot them to me. So now I'm giving you guys a detailed review, man. So let's open these up and cut all that talking. You ever watch some of your favorite YouTubers and you just wish they shut the fuck up and get right to the unboxing?
Bitch, what?
I'm having one of those moments right now. Boy, if you don't... I'm sure you guys probably are too. Hope everybody out there is having a good day. It's summer 18. A lot of things been going on. A lot of sneaker releases. July been kind of quiet, thankfully, for my pockets, because June was just too wild. Too many releases in 1 month. But let's open this box up and see what we got here. And of course, we got to get rid of this, because who gives a fuck about a box? And let's take a look at them, man. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Quad 5.4. And the official colorway on this is black and black. Now, this came with a black Jordan brand box. This is the 2015 black and gold box. I've seen people have this sneaker and they got it in the OG retro Jordan 3 box. So I'm not sure if that's correct or not, but I got the 2015 black and gold box. So let me know if you guys got something different. Just curious to know. But this has the official color code, everything on it. I mean, this is official, 100% authentic release, none of that foo-foo bullshit. So let's open these up, man, and check them out. This is the black pair. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Jordan 3 Quad 5.4. This sneaker was released on July 7th, 2018 for a suggested retail price of $180. Like I said, this was mainly an international release. These pretty much flew off shelves as soon as they released. I give this sneaker the green light. 1 through 10, I give this a solid 8.5. Definitely worth a cop. The texture, the materials on this sneaker is dope. The colors pop, something different. You will not see everybody walk around with these on their feet. And it's a Jordan 3 silhouette, so you know it's just classic in itself. And that colorway is just different. It's something rare. So let's quickly go over some of the aesthetics of the sneaker. You have a traditional with a contemporary mix on the Air Jordan 3 silhouette. You have a predominantly black upper, but then you have hits of your pink, blue, and green on your midsole, as well as on your lace holders. This is just something different we've never really seen from Jordan brand before. The quality on this material, it's like a suede-like upper. If you touch the toe, it changes colors, but it doesn't really feel like a genuine suede. It almost feels like leather is under this, and then at the top, they have a cut of suede. It just feels really weird. You would have to get these in hand to fully understand, but a typical Air Jordan 3, your outsole is that blue, and then you have hits of your green, your blue, and your pink and it's just dope, man. Something different. Black laces. You got your Jumpman on this tongue, and then you have your Quad 5-4 emblem on the other tongue of the sneaker. Like I said, everybody know what Quad 5-4 is. If you're not familiar with it, it's a basketball competition that happens once a year overseas in Paris. It's really big. Every year they drop a Quad 5-4 release, and this year they decided to do the Jordan 3 and pay homage to the basketball tournament in France. And every year it jumps. People love it. It's something that's overseas only, and even though we're in America, Nike likes to pay homage to it, and this year they did a Jordan 3 release. I actually really like these. Something special for the international fans as well, because we have to remember it's a big world. People don't just buy sneakers in America or just love basketball in America. It's an international, global sport, and this is kind of Nike Jordan Brand's way of paying homage to the Quad 5-4, and I really like it. I think these are dope. Definitely a cop if you can get your hands on these. Like I said, these were released overseas only, so these are pretty hard to get. Retail was $180, resale was around $260 to $300. So if you want these in your collection, you will have to break bread and spend that dough. And I didn't mention this before, when one insole is white with the Jumpman, and then the other insole is black with the Quad 4-5 emblem in it, just so you guys know, or if you're trying to do a legit check and pick these up. But I think these sneakers are dope. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about these? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Would you have copped if you got your chance to grab these, or was this just an automatic pass for you? This release wasn't for you. I might be giving you guys a possible detailed review. Let's get this video to 100 likes and I'll give you guys a detailed review on this sneaker. Peace and love to everyone who always stop passes the channel, shows that love and shows that support. Been getting a lot of hits on the channel lately since I dropped that early Air Jordan 13 He Got Game review. If you have not seen that, I'll drop a playlist at the end of this video where you can catch that and watch some of my previous videos as well. Even some of the older stuff you might have never seen before. Been doing this YouTube thing about 4 years strong now, and I got a lot of content to share to all of the newer viewers. If you ain't familiar with me, get hip. This is the Shoemanati Show. But I hope you guys enjoyed these Quad 5-4s, and this was the detailed review of the Air Jordan 3, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
Gon' grab that fifth, grab that eighth, grab what you need. Blow that dope, don't get too high. From the third coast to the west coast, come take this ride. Let me tell her how Jack turned sky over one lost trip to the sky. Let me tell the tale, cause you told the tale when you said I can make it this high.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.